When I told my partner that we did $15,000 with one single email promotion, he flipped out. And then I showed him how simple it was, and he went even more ballistic. And now I'm about to show you exactly what we did. Let's go.
Level up our lifestyle if we love the game.
What's up, everyone? Adrian Morrison here, and I want to talk to you about the one thing that everyone must have if they really want to build a successful dropshipping store, but 99.9% of those people forget about this, and we're going to talk about it today. And I can honestly tell you that I've seen entire Shopify stores collapse because they forgot to have this one thing in place that could be set up in minutes and fully automated. In fact, if you skip this step, you can forget about building a long-term, sustainable business with e-commerce. And no, it's not Facebook ads. It has nothing to do with getting the right vendors. It doesn't even have to do with the products that you're promoting. I'm going to show you exactly what it is on today's training and why it's the #1 skill that you need for e-commerce this year. But first, I think it's super important to tell you why you should listen to some guy on the internet telling you how to make money online. My name's Adrian Morrison, as I said before, and over the past decade, I've pretty much dedicated my entire life to e-com stores and teaching other people how to do them as well. And in that time frame, I've been able to build 6-figure stores and 7-figure stores with dropshipping. And I've even helped tens of thousands of students around the world launch their own stores with my template. Some of them have even gone on to launch their own 7-figure brands using these strategies. So not only do I know how to do this stuff, but I've had a lot of success teaching others how to do it and duplicate it as well. So make sure that you go ahead and you hit that like button, you smash subscribe, and you turn on notifications, because every week I'm constantly uploading completely free videos just like this to help you get started on your journey to success online. All right, so let's get into today's training, tongue-tied there for a second, and it's the #1 skill that you need for e-commerce in 2021. I want to introduce you to email marketing, literally. And most people forget to do email marketing because it's literally the most boring type of marketing in the world, right? People, they hear about it, but they think, oh, I don't want to have to sit around and write emails all day long and send an email every day to generate sales. And then a lot of people, they just don't know what it is they don't know, right? They're so focused on chasing the dollar and generating that very first sale on every ad that they run. They're short-sighted. They're not looking at the bigger picture, and that could be the demise of their business. As a matter of fact, have you ever seen that little meme that's going around of the guy or the girl that's chasing the dollar that's right in front of their face? And so they're so focused on this dollar that's in front of their face and chasing it that they actually don't see the end of a cliff beyond, and they run off the cliff and completely fall, right? Well, that's what happens when you don't focus on email marketing and you focus on just generating sales from ads. Look, everyone loves focusing on ads and cold traffic, but they forget to build an email list of buyers and market to it. Repeat customers are the #1 reason that businesses have success. And I can't remember if I said this in this video yet already or not, but write this down. The fortune is in the follow-up. Every single successful marketer will tell you that email marketing is one of the #1 contributors to their revenue every single month because it's completely free. When you have people on your email list and you press send and you generate thousands of customers on your website, thousands of opens, and you start generating hundreds of sales because of an email, well, I mean, that will shift your mindset on just how valuable and important email marketing is. And I've got the screen behind me here, $15,000 from simple emails. And really, that's just barely scratching the surface. I've done that in a single week. And the beautiful part about this is that when people are visiting your Shopify store, right, and they're shopping around in your store, they're opting into your email list. It's automated, right? It is literally, an email list is built as a byproduct of generating sales from Facebook ads or YouTube ads or Google Shopping or whatever it may be. You just have to remember that it's there and that it is your most valuable asset, and you have to start using it. And the reason that you want to start using it and the reason it's your most valuable asset is because oftentimes Your email list is loaded with buyers. Every single person that buys a product from your Shopify store dropped on an email list. Those are people that know you, like you, and trust you. They've spent money with you. Why would you never market to them again? Why would you pay to market ads to get them back to your store, right? That makes no sense. When they're on your email list and you press send and email them, they will see it, they will open it up, they will click it, you give them a discount, and oftentimes they'll come back and purchase. I've had one person come to my store, make a purchase, and a year later come back over 10 more times from emails and buy more stuff from me. I've talked to students that have big email lists that haven't even used them before. They'll say, Adrian, I'm doing $10,000 a month in sales with e-commerce. How do I grow and scale my business? How do I have stability? And the first thing I say is, yo, you sending emails to your list? Well, no, but I have an email list of 30,000 people, but I haven't emailed them. What? Are you crazy? You got 30,000 people on your email list, but you're not sending emails? That's wild. That's called leaving money on the table. And that's a fact because data shows that most of your customers are repeat customers from email lists. Reports also show that people buy more from email than any other source online. Because if they subscribe to your list, then they know you, like you, and trust you. Those are requirements, right, to get people to buy stuff from you. And your email list that's being built for you actually creates a long-term business. So if you want to sell your business in the future, one of the number one things that a prospect that's buying your business is going to ask is, how big is your email list? Because they know that they can send simple emails and generate customers with no additional ad cost. And your email list becomes valuable as well for targeting Facebook ads and creating lookalike audiences because you can upload your email list directly to Facebook into a custom audience, and you can retarget your entire email list and get dirt cheap traffic from your best customers. You can create lookalike audiences on Facebook from your email list, where Facebook will look at every subscriber and try to find you similar customers to your previous subscribers, which creates golden opportunity to scale and find new high quality customers. Now, let's talk about how do you build your email list, right? I said it was automated, but how does that all work, right? Building it with buyers is the real key to getting super high open rates and super high sales, right? People that have bought from you are going to be the best types of subscribers, right? Those are going to automatically happen, right? People that buy a product from you on your Shopify store, Shopify will immediately put them on an email list that you can then email. You don't need to do anything. If you're running a Shopify store right now, you already have an email list if you have customers. You may not know it, but if you go in there, you'll see it. And I should point out, Amazon doesn't let you do this. eBay doesn't let you do this. They keep all that data for themselves. And this is why I love Shopify. Shopify is a platform for the merchants, not a platform designed for the customers. What that means is Shopify is not trying to build Shopify's brand. Shopify is trying to help you and me build our brands. And the best way to do that and get customer retention and more profitability is to get an email list. So if you're on Amazon and you're on eBay and you're having success, I'd recommend that you also open up a Shopify store so you can also start collecting data and build a long-term business model in case, ads ever tank on eBay or Amazon, right? So building with buyers is going to be key. Now, building it with subscribers. This is how you can really, I think, for me, using these strategies we're about to go over is a way that I've been able to increase our subscriber rate by about 20% or so. So if you've ever gone to a website before, and as soon as you get on there, a box pops up that says, put in your email address for a 10% discount or a 15% discount, that's a way of a transactional exchange for your email. They know that you're going to give them a valid email address because that's key, getting real emails, not fake emails. If you want that discount, you've got to give a real email address to the website because they will email the discount to you, right? So real emails. And doing giveaways and offering out coupons. This will incentivize people to give up and hand over their real email address to you and go on your list. Now, even though they're not buyers, right? Not everybody that subscribes from giveaways and discounts and coupons and spinny wheels and stuff like that, they're not buyers. you can turn them into buyers. I mean, data shows that sometimes you have to touch someone 3, 4, 5, 6 times with email before, or with ads before they'll actually make a purchase. So the good news is that once you pay for the customer, once you acquire that customer by means of an ad, if you're focused on getting them to subscribe to your email list in exchange for a giveaway, discount, or a coupon, you don't ever have to pay to get that person back to your store again. You can follow up with email promotions, and it might take 2 or 3 emails, but eventually you'll turn a lot of them into sales. And by the way, I should say this. You're not sending out individual emails to each and every customer that subscribes. Like, you're sitting here all day sending emails. This is a fully automated process. So you write one single email and you will send it out to all of your subscribers. I have over 300,000 subscribers on one of my email lists. I write one email, and that email says something like, here are the hot discounts for the week. And we'll load up any new products we've listed or hot products that are getting a lot of sales. And I literally hit send, boom. And all of a sudden, 300,000 emails are deployed. And we start seeing tons of traffic literally flood into the store. Oh, you really want to crush it on Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day? Well, email lists destroy it on holidays because people are looking for deals. And you send an email to their inbox that says, don't miss out on these Black Friday deals or these holiday deals or this 4th of July deal, whatever it may be. And people open those and they flood to your store at an even higher rate. So on holidays, sending email blasts can absolutely crush it. But I think the key here is understanding, number one, that email marketing is the key to a long-term business, that fortune is in the follow-up, that repeat customers are really what you're looking for to build a sustainable business and have a real brand, right? People that you've paid for and acquired once, get them to come back over and over and over and over again and buy more stuff. Number two is that you need to know how to build a list and what that list is divided in. It's divided in subscribers, aka non-buyers, aka prospects, and real buyers. So you're going to have a mixture of buyers and non-buyers. Doesn't matter, because a lot of those subscribers, those non-buyers, will start buying as you send them emails. And the buyers that are already on your list already know you, like you, trust you, have spent money with you. They're very, very likely to come back and make more purchases. So the number one skill that every e-commerce store should have and need to focus on is email marketing. Shopify is literally the platform that automates all email marketing for you, building your list. They actually have templates for done for you emails that you can send, and promotions and discounts. It is amazing. And using simple little emails, I've been able to generate $15,000 in a week sending some email promotions. And that is sales I didn't have to invest any money to generate. So if you want to learn more about email marketing and you want to learn more about how we actually build long-term sustainable businesses, if you look below this video, I want to invite you to check out my Ecom Quick Start program. This is a course that I created that isn't theory. It's based off of real case studies, real strategies that I implement in my business. And for lack of a better term, you can go in and kind of copy and paste what I'm doing. Copy and paste my template. Copy and paste the way that we send emails. Copy and paste the way that we write ads to generate a lot of traffic and therefore more subscribers. So if you click below in the description, you'll see it. It'll take you to about a 12-minute case study. It's going to show you a product that we started selling. It's going to show you how we built an email list with that product, and then how we leverage that email list to generate future repeat sales without spending a dime of additional money on ads. And the Ecom Quick Start program is completely designed for beginners to get started that know nothing. So if that's you. You definitely want to click that and at least check out the free case study. That said, also remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and comment below. Did you like today's training? Have you been missing out and ignoring email marketing? How much money have you left on the table by ignoring the number one piece of the puzzle for success with e-commerce? And what do you want me to teach you on next week's video? Comment below, let me know. I love reading your comments. I appreciate you investing your time to watch this video. But most importantly, I hope that you take this knowledge and this education and you put it into action, because knowledge without execution is absolutely worthless. So let's go, and I'll see you next week.